Welcome to AZ Superbox. In this video, we are thrilled to introduce the top 5 best active powered car subwoofer bass tubes, delivering exceptional bass performance for your car audio system. These active powered bass tubes have been carefully selected to provide powerful and deep bass, enhancing your in-car audio experience. Please note that the bass tubes mentioned in this video are not listed in any specific order. If you're a car audio enthusiast looking to elevate your sound system with easy-to-install and space-efficient bass solutions, you've come to the right place. These active powered bass tubes are designed for maximum impact and convenience, offering outstanding audio quality and deep bass for your car. With their precise engineering and thoughtful design, these bass tubes will not only boost your car's audio system but also ensure a hassle-free installation. Each bass tube on our list has been chosen based on its quality, functionality, design, and overall customer satisfaction. Whether you prefer compact bass tubes for a space-saving setup or larger options for powerful bass output, our top 5 picks encompass a variety of sizes and features to cater to your specific preferences. Our dedication to excellence guarantees that these active powered car subwoofer bass tubes will seamlessly integrate into your car audio setup, providing easy access to all necessary connections and controls. For more detailed information about the top 5 best active powered car subwoofer bass tubes we discuss, please check the links in the description below this video. You'll find pricing and additional details about each bass tube. If you seek a more comprehensive analysis and comparison, be sure to visit our website, azsuperbox.com. Our website offers comprehensive reviews and valuable insights to help you select the perfect bass tube for your car audio system. So, without further delay, let's dive into the world of the top 5 best active powered car subwoofer bass tubes and find the ideal one to enhance your car audio experience with deep and powerful bass. If you find this video informative, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. We appreciate your support and eagerly anticipate bringing you more valuable audio equipment reviews and recommendations. Now, let's get started.
Hi, I'm Sam, and I see you're interested in purchasing a Rockville bass tube. Let's take a look at this product, and I'll walk you through some of its features. So let's unpack this subwoofer. So I want to point out that we have packaged this in a double-walled cardboard carton for extra protection through shipping. You can see that there's an additional piece of cardboard over this unit to add extra structural support. The subwoofer comes with 2 packets, which contain mounting hardware and connections that we will talk about in a moment. The unit comes packaged in a plastic wrapping around it to protect the carpet. Let's take a closer look at this Rockville bass tube. This particular unit has an 8-inch woofer built in. Rockville also manufactures a smaller 6.5-inch unit and 2 larger units at 10 inches and 12 inches, so there is a size for any installation. The entire unit is wrapped in aviation-grade tweed carpet and has the Rockville logo embroidered on it. The subwoofer is protected by a custom-molded steel grille. The built-in Rockville subwoofer features a heavy-duty steel basket and Kevlar-reinforced pulp cone. This unit has a 400-watt amplifier and a built-in crossover. This amp also has high-level inputs, RCA inputs, 3.5mm MP3 jack, and volume control. Each model's amplifier has different functions, so please check specific models to see which is best suited for your needs. So I'm going to demo the bass tube for you by plugging in my cell phone, and we'll listen to some music. At a secure location in your trunk, screw the mounting plates into position. Feed the straps through the mounting brackets and around the bass tube. Tighten both straps securely and cut or tuck the remaining length under the unit. Run power and ground to the terminals and tighten them down. Connect RCA or high-level inputs from your audio source. Make sure everything is tight and secure and you're ready to rock. So if you're interested in purchasing this product, just scroll down and hit the buy button. It'll ship to you within 24 hours via FedEx from our warehouse, arrive in 3 to 4 days depending on your location. Once you receive it, if you're having any installation problems, just call our tech team at the number below and they'll help you install it. Like, subscribe, and enjoy!
Take a look inside the patented Bazooka bass tubes design to understand what sets Bazooka apart from the rest. Why bass? Without bass, you hear only about 70% of recorded music. With a Bazooka bass speaker, you get to hear that additional 30% of music you've been missing. Bass is essential to complete any listening experience. Bass is what gives music its fullness, and it plays a role in every instrument sound. Get the full sound experience. Why Bazooka? Bazooka's innovative patented design makes use of the tube shape, which is a natural pressure vessel that delivers the most efficient output of sound. Think of the shape of an aerosol can. The Bazooka bass tube's enclosure design works the same way, effectively pushing out all of the music without losing any sound that would otherwise get trapped in the corners. The Bazooka bass tube's design also makes it ideal for corner loading, which helps to amplify the sound in your car. Think about the way a megaphone amplifies a cheerleader's voice. It's the same way the corner of your car amplifies the concentrated bass output of our bass tube's design. Inch for inch, bass tube enclosures will outperform box speakers. Bazooka bass tubes fits all cars and will fit into your car better than a box speaker and take up less space. Their unique tube design allows them to fit any vehicle. Everything about the Bazooka bass tube's enclosure design is efficient, from the way it outputs sound to the way it fits into your car without taking up excess space. It even fits trucks. Bazooka bass tubes are the perfect fit for a perfect sound. Installation is easy too. With Bazooka's fast, universal harness, you can install Bazooka bass tubes in your car in less than 30 minutes. Only 4 easy steps and you're ready to go. Connect it, ground it, hide it, secure it. Then you're on your way. Bazooka bass tubes. A bigger sound, a better way.